Cosmos flowers, aka Mexican Asters, Latin, Cosmos bipinnatus, are annuals in most regions, meaning they complete their life cycle within one growing season, producing colorful blooms and seeds before dying off. However, in areas with mild winters and long growing seasons, they may behave as short-lived perennials and reseed themselves for several seasons. So, while they are technically annuals, they may have a longer lifespan in certain growing conditions. They grow in USDA zones 2 to 11. Cosmos bipinnatus is a member of the Asteraceae family and is loved for its daisy-like blooms in shades of pink, white, and red. These flowers have a central disc of small, tubular flowers surrounded by long, slender petals that give them their distinct appearance. Cosmos bipinnatus is an easy plant to grow, and it is popular among gardeners and horticulturists for its hardiness and adaptability. It thrives in full sun and well-drained soil, and it can tolerate a wide range of temperatures and soil conditions. The plant can grow up to 3 feet tall and produces flowers from midsummer until the first frost. Cosmos bipinnatus is also a popular choice for pollinators such as butterflies and bees. The plant produces an abundance of nectar, which attracts these beneficial insects to your garden. Cosmos bipinnatus has become a popular addition to wildflower meadows and gardens due to its bright colors, hardiness, and ability to attract pollinators. It is also an excellent choice for cut flowers, with long stems and a long vase life. To encourage continuous blooming, it is recommended to deadhead the flowers regularly. This process involves removing the spent blooms to encourage new ones to grow. Cosmos bipinnatus is a beautiful and versatile flowering plant that is perfect for any garden or wildflower meadow. Its hardiness, adaptability, and ability to attract pollinators make it a popular choice for gardeners and horticulturists alike. Thank you for watching our video about Cosmos bipinnatus.